Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Hey everyone, checking in on Apple daily and weekly time frames. So a key loss of the 10-day moving average support. It has been support since the gap up on earnings, and we have bounced off of that. You can see the tightening range, and this was a clear bearish break of that tightening range. The bulls did show up and defend a key support, and that's where that lower wick is coming from today. We bounced off of 107.85, and the low of the last consolidation was 107.76. So the higher low pattern is still maintained, but the bearish signals are creeping in. Bearish MACD cross. Apple was seeing a lot more weakness than SPY overall. We saw SPY with multiple big rips today. Lots of volatility back and forth, but on these multiple big rips, we saw other stocks follow along, and Apple did not follow along with as much emphasis. So we'll be looking a rejection from the 10-day moving average resistance tomorrow early on, and that level is going to be in the mid 108.80s. If we reject from this 10-day resistance first thing, we are likely to head back down and test 108 and this upper 107 support range. And we're still watching this weekly 100-week resistance. We closed pennies above it last week. That's not convincing enough for me to turn it into support. We're back below it, 109.44. We already broke the low of last week. That stands out. The bulls had seen higher lows 4 weeks in a row. So breaking that low first day of the week, definitely a red flag for the short-term bulls. And I say short-term because we're just looking for normal, healthy consolidation, a few dollar drop to the downside after a very bullish 2 weeks in a row here. So starting to shape up on the daily, a break of 107.76 will add some confidence to the bears, and then the middle Bollinger Band support will be next on deck. I appreciate you watching. We'll check back in. Have a great night.